ओम पूर्णमदः पूर्णमिदं पूर्णात् पूर्णमुदच्यते पूर्णस्य पूर्णमादाय पूर्णमेवावशिष्यते। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शंकरं शंकराचार्यं केशवं बादरायणं सूत्रभाष्यकृतौ वन्दे भगवन्तौ पुनः पुनः। ईश्वरो गुरुरात्मेति मूर्तिभेदविभागिने व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति। शुक्लयजुर्वेदीय काण्व शाखीय बृहदारण्यक उपनिषद, पेज नंबर 175, टीका, थर्ड लाइन फ्रॉम द बॉटम. So last sentence we saw padbhyam shudro ajayata इत्याद्या श्रुतिस् तथा विधा च स्मृतिः अनुसर्तव्या. श्री गतौ धातु इज देयर, अनुसर्तव्या तव्य प्रत्यय. श्रुति accordingly, smriti also, smriti according to shruti should be followed, means understood. Gatyarthaka dhatu is for jnana. Further, अग्नि सर्गस्य वक्ष्यमाण इंद्रादि सर्गोपलक्षणत्वे सति सृष्टि साकल्यात् एषौ एव सर्वे देवा इति उपसंहार सिद्धिरिति फलितम् आह. Those who had doubt whether I can read without glasses or not, I can read. It helps to wear glasses because then you have 4 eyes. Agni Sarga, Agni Utpatti is mentioned. Indradi Utpatti is not mentioned. Indradi Utpatti, Indradi Sarga is Vakshamana. It will be said later on page number 298. You can note down. Vakshamana means Putra on page 298. इंद्रादि सर्ग उपलक्षणत्वे सति सृष्टि साकल्याद एषौ एव सर्वे देवा. So here it is said all devatas. Only Agni Devata Srishti is given. Indradi Devata Srishti is not given. But you have to understand. Iti upasamhara siddhir iti phalitam aha. Tatra iti. In Bhashya. First, we have to see the line. So, tasmat krishyadi paro vaswadi devatyascha vaishyah. Tatha. पूषणम पृथ्वी देवता शूद्रंच पदभ्याम परिचरण क्षमम असृजत इति श्रुति स्मृति प्रसिद्धम. पूषणम पृथ्वी देवता शूद्रंच. So पूषणम here is पृथ्वी देवता and शूद्र उत्पत्ति. Padbhyam Shudro Ajayata, and Prithvi also from the Pada. Padoscha Vishwabhutani. Like that. Tripada. Yeah. But there is another. No.
Padbhyam Shudro Ajayata.
Not that. About Prithvi, that is not given in Purush Suktam, I guess. Yeah, Purush Suktam doesn't say where Prithvi Utpatti is there. Does it say? Anyway, so Prithvi Devata and Shudra Utpatti both are from the Pada of Prajapati. Paricharana Kshamam. Paricharana means Seva. क्षमम् असृजत इति श्रुति स्मृति प्रसिद्धम्। तत्र क्षत्रादि देवता सर्गम इह अनुक्तम. Somebody says here only Brahmana and Agni Devata are discussed. Kshatriya Devata, Indra, etc. Nothing is discussed here. So, तत्र क्षत्रादि देवता सर्गम इह अनुक्तम वक्ष्यमाणम अपि उक्तवद उपसंहरति. Vakshamanam means later it will be said. Then right now, as if it is already said, keeping this in mind, he says, Uktavat upasamharati, as if it is already said. Srishti sakalya anukirtyai. Srishti sakalya anukirtyai. For mentioning Srishti sakalya. टीका. उक्तेन वक्ष्यमाणोपलक्षणं सर्वशब्दः सूचयति इति भावः. वक्ष्यमाण उपलक्षणं सर्वशब्दः सूचयति. Because in the mantra it is said all creation, sarva srishti. See, tasyaiva sa visrishtihi eshau hi eva sarve devaha. Sarve devaha, only one creation is explained, and you are seeing sarve devaha. So this is upalakshana because it will be said later. Srishti sakalya anukirtanam. Anukirtanam means this is explained. Anukirtyai. किंच सृष्टि ही अत्र न विवक्षिता किंतु येन प्रकारेण सृष्टि श्रुति ही स्थिता तेन प्रकारेण देवतादि सर्वं प्रजापति ही एव इति विवक्षितम् इत्या. Here the objective is not to talk about सृष्टि. सृष्टि अत्र न विवक्षिता. विवक्षा means वक्तुम इच्छा. So the vivaksha is not of discussing creation, but that the way in which the creation takes place, yena prakarena srishti shruti sthita, tena prakarena prajapati hi eva devatadi sarva. Prajapati alone becomes all devata, etc. This is the objective. In Bhashya. यथा इयं श्रुतिर व्यवस्थिता तथा प्रजापतिरेव सर्वे देवा इति निश्चितो अर्थ. दिस इज द निश्चित अर्थ. यथा इयं श्रुति व्यवस्थिता, हाउ दिस श्रुति व्यवस्था इज डन. सो व्हाट इट इज रिवीलिंग, प्रजापति ही एव सर्वे देवाः. प्रजापति हैज बिकम all devata. This is nishchita artha. This is what is to be said. Prajapati is sarva devata mayaha. Tatra hetum aha. Srashtuhu ananyatvat srishtanam. Srashtuhu ananyatvat. Srishtanam srashtuhu ananyatvat. Srishtanam is which vibhakti? Shashti bahuvachanam. Srashtuhu is which vibhakti? Shashti ekvachanam. Shashti ekvachanam is not different from Shashti bahuvachanam. Is that what is said? Srashtuhu ananyatvat srishtanam. So, the srishtanam pratipadika is srishtaha. Srashtuhu pratipadika is srastri. Trich pratyanta. So, they are different shabdas. Creator is not different from created. That is what this vakya is. Creator is Prajapati. Created is Devatas. तथापि कथम देवतादि सर्वं प्रजापति मात्रम इति आशंक्याः प्रजापतिना एव तु सृष्टत्वात् देवानां प्रजापतिना एव सृष्टत्वात् देवानां by prajapati alone all devatas are created prajapatina devanam srishtatvat. Further, tad yad idam इत्यादि वाक्यस्य तात्पर्यम् आह अथ अथ एवं प्रकरणार्थे व्यवस्थिते तत्स्तुति अभिप्रायेण अविद्वन् मतांतर निंदोपन्यासः अन्य निंदा अन्य स्तुतये अथ एवं प्रकरणार्थे व्यवस्थिते thus this is how this prakarana is vyavasthita means is present means it is available to us tat stuti abhiprayena avidvan matantara ninda upanyasa by doing the stuti of Prajapati and this prakarana mainly Prajapati the avidwan who are doing ninda of Prajapati etc that ninda upanyasah is done. By praising Prajapati, the unwise people who criticize Prajapati, their criticism means criticism of Avidwan is indicated by praise of Prajapati. Prajapati stuti is for Avidwan Ninda because they have matantara. They have some anyamata means they are trying to tell something which is not according to Shruti. So that is being criticized by this Shruti Vakya. टीका सृष्टा प्रजापतिरेव सृष्टं सर्वं कार्यम् इति प्रकरणार्थे पूर्वोक्त प्रकारेण व्यवस्थिते सति अनन्तरं तस्यैव स्तुति विवक्षया तद यद इदम इत्यादि अविद्वन मतांतरस्य निंदार्थम वचनम इत्यर्थः. Srashta Prajapati hi eva. Creator is Prajapati alone. By that Prajapati, all this is created. So the objective is to show everything is Prajapati's creation. This is the Prakarana. Srishtam Sarvam Karyam Prajapati hi eva. प्रकरणार्थे पूर्वोक्त प्रकारेण व्यवस्थिते सति अनंतरम तस्यैव स्तुति विवक्षया thereafter that alone is being glorified. So by that stuti what is done tat yad idam ityadi avidwan matantarasya. See what do avidwan think? First understand this statement looks difficult, otherwise it is very simple. Avidwan will think Agni is different, Indra is different, Varuna is different, Vasavas are different, Prithvi, Devata, all are different devatas. Just like a child will say, each finger is separate and they are independent. But a wise person knows they all are together. Only one source is there, it appears that they are different. Like that, one Prajapati is there, all Indriyas, all Devatas, they are his karyam only, they are not different, independent. So those who say Indra is different, Agni is different, Varuna is different, they are avidwan. This karma, in Karma Kanda, there are mantras for each devata. and only that devata mantra, that devata will give you the result. Such restrictions are there. You invite one devata and other devata will not come. Here the prakarana is to show Prajapati is Sarva Devatamaya. All devatas are one in Prajapati. So this Bheda Buddhi is Nindita. Because that Bheda is because of ignorance. So it is Avidwan Mata. That Ninda is done by Prajapati Stuti, who is Sarva Devatamaya. अनंतरम तस्यैव स्तुति विवक्षया तद्यद इदम इत्यादि अविद्वन मतांतरस्य निंदार्थम वचनम इत्यर्थः. दिस वचनम इज अविद्वन मतांतरस्य निंदार्थम. मतांतरे निंदिते अपि कथम प्रकरणार्थः स्तुतो भवति इति आशंका. Okay, so just by doing ninda of that other mata, bhed buddhi, ninda, how this prakaranartha stuti is done? So, katham prakaranartha stuto bhavati iti ashankyaha. Anya ninda anya stutaye. Anya ninda is for anya stuti. Means when one is nindita, another is being praised. Anya ninda anya stutaye. Further in Bhashya, tat tatra karma prakarane kevala yagnika yaga kale yad idam vacha ahuhu अमुम अग्निम यज अमुम इंद्रम यज इत्यादि नाम शस्त्र स्तोत्र कर्मादि भिन्नत्वात् भिन्नम एव अग्न्यादि देवम एकैकम मन्यमाना आहुरित्यभिप्रायः. These yagnikas, those who do yajna in karma prakarana, in karma kanda, yaga kale, at the time of yaga, yad idam vachaha ahu. They say these statements. What? This amum indram yaja, amum agnim yaja, amum indram yaja. This Agni Devata you do worship. You this Agni Indra you do worship, like that. Each is separate, and they have different name, nama. They have different shastra. Shastra means it's a different kind of shastra. Means not weapon. Shastra in Veda is a different kind of stuti, and stotra is another kind of stuti. One number tippani says that Nama Indradi, Shastra Stotre, Stuti Visheshau. They are different kinds of stutis. In Veda, so certain portion will be called Shastra. Certain portion will be called Stotra. Shastra, Stotra, and their respective karma will be there. Indra, for Indra, some karma will be performed. For Agni, some other karma will be performed, like that. Karmadi bhinnatvat, they being different. Bhinnam eva agnyadi devam. Agnyadi devata are different. Ekaikam manyamana ahuhu iti abhipraya. They consider this as ekaikam. Each is different. Tika. Ekaikam devam iti asya tatparyamah. Ekaikam means each different. That is given there. Nama, Shastra, Stotra, etc. Kathakam, Kalapakam, itivat nama bhedat kratushu tattad devata stuti bhedat घट शकटादिवत अर्थ क्रिया भेदाच प्रत्येकम देवानां भिन्नत्वात् कर्मिणाम एतद् वचनम इत्यर्थः. These are the words of karmi, those who are into karma, so many rituals. Kathakam kalapakam itivat. So they have one example given of the name. Kathakam means that which belongs to Katha. That's in Katha Shakha. One Upanishad is there that we know, Katha Upanishad. But other Karma Kanda is also there. That Kathakam Kalapakam itivat nama bhedat. So different names are there. This ritual is for this devata, this ritual is for this devata, like that. Kratushu tattat devata stuti. And then tattat devata stuti vakyas are also there. See third number tippani. स्तुति भेदादिति शस्त्र स्तोत्रादि रूप स्तुति भेदादित्यर्थः. स्तुति भेदस्य अन्यथा अनुपपन्नः स्तुत्यान् भिनत्ति. स्तुति भेद is not possible unless stutya bheda is there. See, somebody says this is a stotra, like how in our Puranas, for example, Vishnu Purana is there, Shiva Purana is there, Markandeya Purana is there, or not, Devi Purana is there, Ganesh Purana is there. If the devatas are not different, then Purana need not be different. One Purana, do you know there is something called Atma Purana? Atma Purana is written by Swami Shankaranand, Vidyaranya Swamiji's sannyas Diksha Guru. So we are studying this Anubhuti Prakash, right? Anubhuti Prakash is a smaller version of Atma Purana. Atma Purana is much bigger. स्तुति भेदस्य अन्यथा अनुपपन्नः स्तुत्यान् भिनत्ति इति भावः. So stuti bheda otherwise would not be justified. Therefore, stutya means the devatas are different. That is indicated. So stuti bhedat, because the stuti bheda is there, ghata shakatadi what? Artha kriya bhedacha. Stuti differences are there. Artha kriya bheda is also there. Indra's department is different. Agni's department is different. Varuna Devata, they all do different work. Just like a pot is for some function. Cart is for some other function. You can say everything is made up of clay, or you can say everything is made up of Panch Mahabhuta. But they have some Kriya Bheda. So Ghata Shakatadivat Artha Kriya Bhedacha Pratyekam Devanam Bhinnatvat. Therefore, each Devata is different. In this way, Karmi will say, Karminam. So because their objective is different. Their objective is to please a particular Devata by a particular karma, by a particular stuti to get a particular result. So if Agni Devata is not happy with me, and if Indra Devata becomes happy, but my problem is not solved because I need Agni Devata's prasannata. Like medicines, you have specific. I have headache. Then you take some medicine for some other purpose. So the headache is not going to go because some other solution is there. So like that, you have to have specific things. This is what Karmi will say. But here the prakarana is to show abheda. Adi shabdena rupadi bhedat tad bhinnatvam sangrihnati. So artha kriya bheda is there, nama bheda, karma bheda, etc. is there, and rupadi bheda is there. Agni looks different, Varuna looks totally different. They do different things. Tad bhinnatvam sangrihnati. So their bheda sangrahanam is done. means they are all put together. All Vedas are understood. ननु अत्र कर्मिणां निंदा न प्रतिभाति तन्मतो उपन्यासस्यैव प्रतीतेः इत्याशंक्या. So somebody says this mantra actually says that all devatas are different. Their rupa is different, their kriya bheda is different, etc. Artha kriya karitvam is different. So where there is ninda of karmi, in fact their matam is said here. Tanmata upanyasa is done. Pratitehe iti ashankyaha tanna. No, it is not like that. Tanna tatha vidya in bhashya. You should not think like that each devata is different. So what is said, okay, let's finish this, then I will explain. Why? Because there is only one devata. Yasmat etasyeva prajapatehe sa visrishtihi. Deva bhedah sarva eshavu hyeva prajapatireva pranaha sarve devaha. Yasmat etasyeva prajapatehe sa visrishtihi. This visrishti, this creation is of this prajapati alone. Visrishti. Deva bhedah sarva eshahu hyeva prajapatihi. This creation which is in the form of devanam bheda, deva bheda. But really speaking, sarva eshahu hyeva prajapatihi eva. All of this is sarva eshahu hyeva prajapatihi eva. Pranaha sarve devaha. All this is prajapati alone. And this pranaha sarve devaha, that will be said, see later in Tika. एकस्यैव प्राणस्य अनेक विधो देवता प्रभेदः शाकल्य ब्राह्मणे वक्ष्यते. एकस्यैव प्राणस्य अनेक विधः अनेक प्रकारेण. So prana is one, appearing as many in the form of different devatas. So the devata distinction is of that one prana alone, one Hiranyagarbha alone. Where is it shown? Shakalya Brahmane Vakshyate. Shakalya Brahmana, 3rd chapter, 9th Brahmana. In that 9th mantra, 399 they have given. This Shakalya, who was a great Karmakandi, but he did not know Vedanta. So he argues with Yajnavalkya. Then Yajnavalkya says, this is not your territory, in your area. So if you ask questions in this, just to argue, your head will fall off. And his head falls down. Iti vivakshitva vishinashti prana iti. Pranaha sarve devaha. Prana alone is all devatas. Okay. Agnyadayo devaha sarve prajapatihi eva iti uktam samprati tat swarupa nirdidharayishaya tatra vipratipattim darshayati. Agnyadi, all the devatas, they all are sarve prajapatihi eva. They all are prajapati alone. Iti uktam samprati tat swarupa nirdidharayishaya. To do its swarupa nirdharanam. Nirdidharayishaya. Tatra vipratipattim darshayati. Now there is some different thinking about it that is being shown. That we will see in the next session. Very important discussion is going to start. Om Purnamadaha Purnamidam Purnat Purnamudachyate Purnasya Purnamadaya Purnameva Vashishyate. Om Shanti Shanti Shanti. Shankaram Shankaracharyam Keshavam Badarayanam Sutra Bhashya Kritau Vande Bhagavantau Punah Punah Ishvaro Gururasmeti Murti Bheda Vibhagine व्योमवद्व्याप्तदेहाय दक्षिणामूर्तये नमः। ओम शांति शांति शांति।